In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Audible app. This walkthrough is designed for Android phones and tablets using the Google Play Store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to complete the download without any confusion. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and that you're signed in with a Google account, since the Play Store requires one to install apps. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. You'll usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. If you don't see it right away, swipe up to view all your apps and use the search field at the top of the app list to locate Play Store. It's a good idea to connect to Wi-Fi before downloading, especially if you want to avoid using mobile data or if your connection is spotty. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Audible. You don't need quotation marks or extra words, just the single word is enough. If you prefer, you can tap the microphone icon and say Audible. After typing, hit the search key on your keyboard to see results. If you notice autocorrect trying to change your spelling, fix it so you're searching for the audiobook app specifically. From the results, select the official app by Audible Inc. This is important because it ensures you're getting the legitimate app from the correct developer. Look for the listing that clearly shows the developer name, and take a quick glance at the star rating and screenshots if you want extra reassurance you're in the right place. The official page will mention audiobooks and typically highlight features like a library, listening controls, and recommendations. On the app page, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading and then installing the app for you. You'll see a progress indicator. The time it takes can vary based on your connection speed and available storage. If you're prompted to accept standard permissions or to confirm your account, go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. These are normal. The app itself is free to install, and any purchases happen later inside the app if you choose. When installation finishes, the button on the Play Store page will change to Open, and you'll see the new app icon appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. If the download seems stuck, check your internet connection or free up a bit of storage and try again. That's it! Audible is now downloaded to your device and ready for you to explore whenever you're ready.